Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. So, children, today we are going to discuss the first type of pronoun. Okay, that is personal pronoun. Okay, children. So, now what I have told you here, you have to read the following paragraph. Okay. Charlie McBean got a letter from the king. The king wanted Charlie McBean to prepare food on Saturday. Charlie McBean was worried. Charlie McBean used the internet to search for the food that is fit for the king. Charlie McBean found that the king likes stew and custard. So Charlie McBean made huge pots of stew and huge bowls of custard. So what can you see? Yes, children, what can you see? What is underlined here again and again? The name that is underlined here again and again is Charlie McBean. Yes or no? So, it is written there that did you realize that the proper noun Charlie McBean appeared 6 times in the paragraph? Can you see, children, everyone? Charlie McBean is repeated for 6 times. Okay. So, now we are going to read it in other way. Okay. So Charlie McBean got a letter from the king. The king wanted him to prepare good food on coming Saturday. Charlie McBean was worried. He used the internet to search for the food that fit for the king. He found that the king likes stew and custard. So he made huge pots of stew and huge bowls of custard. So children, can you see here that Charlie McBean now it's repeated only for one time. Okay, so total in this paragraph you can see Charlie McBean is uh, written for 2 times. So now while reading this paragraph, we all were comfortable. Yes or no? We found that the reading is becoming more easy. Okay, now why this reading is becoming easy? This is because we are making use of pronoun. Okay, so this time the story sounds better. The personal pronouns he is used to replace or refer to people, place, or things without actually naming them. Okay, so here in place of Charlie McBean, we are using the word he because it is masculine gender. Okay, so are you understanding how we are changing the personal, how we are using the personal pronouns? Okay, so what are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns is a word that takes the place of word for people, animals, places, or things. Okay, and they are used as subject of the verb. So here you can say, see the example there children on the screen. Charlie McBean received a letter from the king. So what is subject here? Charlie McBean. Okay, it is labeled here that Charlie McBean is subject. So in place of subject, you can use personal pronouns. Okay, what are the examples of personal pronouns? I, you, she, he, they, it, we, they. Okay, I, you, she, he, they, it, we, they. So these are all examples of personal pronoun. Is it clear, children? Is this example clear to everyone? Okay. See the next one. Now this boy is talking about himself. Yes, can you see her? My name is David. I am 8 years old. I like to read storybooks. I have a sister. I like to play with her at home. So here, first we are discussing about the personal pronoun I. Am I right? Which is the pronoun we are discussing? We are discussing the personal pronoun I. So here, instead of writing David, 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 David again and again, what is the pronoun that we are using? We are using I. Am I right? So how this boy is speaking? First he introduces himself by saying, my name is David. Then he says, I am 8 years old. I like to read storybooks. I have a sister. I like to play with her at home. So in this way, he is using personal pronoun I. Why? Because he is talking about himself. Am I correct, children? Are you understanding? Okay. So now we will see the second type of personal pronoun, that is you. When we use you, children, can you tell me when do we use you? We are using you when we are talking to someone else. Am I right? For example, here you can see in the conversation, hi Jenny. The boy is saying to Jenny, you are 8 years old too. You like to cycle in the park. You go to in Southview Primary School. You are my best friend. So here that boy is saying this to Jenny. So he is pointing it out as you. Yes, children, are you understanding? For example, if your friend takes your pencil, what you say? You have taken my pencil. You are hiding it. Or you say, you are not giving me my pencil. So which kind of personal pronoun we are using? You. Okay, children? See the next one. Personal pronouns he and she. Okay, so now in this, see both the paragraphs. We will read one by one. Okay, first we will see what is said in first para, where there is a man. Okay, in first para they have explained about man, he. Okay, so he is Mr. Wong. He is Jenny's uncle. He is wearing a hat. He works as animal trainer in the zoo. Okay, I'll read again. He is Mr. Wong. He is Jenny's uncle. He is wearing a hat. He works as an animal trainer in the zoo. So here, personal pronouns he and he is used. Correct? Because Mr. Wong is a man. So we all know for masculine gender, we use he. Am I right? So here, instead of repeating Mr. Wong, which is the pronoun used? It is he. Understanding, children? First paragraph. Is it clear? Any doubt, children? You can ask me. So we can move to the next paragraph. In next paragraph, there is a woman. Okay. So what is said in this paragraph? She is Miss Wong. She is my aunt. She is holding a handbag. She works as a teacher in Cho Chu Kang Primary School. Okay, so here you can see that they are talking about a woman. So which is the personal pronoun used? She. Right? So she is Mrs. Wong. She is my aunt. She is holding a handbag. She works as teacher. So we are using she here because Miss Wong is a woman. Okay. So children, till now how many total pronouns we have seen? Yes. How many total pronouns we have seen? I. Okay. We have seen about I. We have seen you, he and she. Yes children? Are you clear till here? Okay. Now we'll move to next. It. Okay. Which is the next personal pronoun? It. See the first paragraph. This is Polly, the parrot. It has colorful feathers. It can talk, it can sing too. I'll read again. I want all of you to read with me at your home. This is Polly, the parrot. It has colorful feathers. It can talk, it can sing too. So what personal pronoun we are using, children? We are saying it. Now why we are saying it? Can you tell why are we using it? Because here we are talking about the parrot. Okay. there is there is no specific gender mentioned. Yes or no? For masculine we use he. For feminine we use she. But here there is no gender mentioned. So we are going to use the personal pronoun that is it. So this is Polly, the parrot. It has colorful feathers. It can talk. It can sing too. Okay. In this first paragraph, they had taken example of parrot. In the next paragraph, they have taken the example of English book. So how they are saying? This is an English book. It belongs to my aunt. It is a thick book. It is the same book that I use in school. Yes or no, children? This is an English book. It belongs to my aunt. It is a thick book. It is the same book that I use in school. So again, book is a thing. So we are going to use the personal pronoun it. Okay, children? Are you understanding? Is there any doubt in this? Okay, let's see next. Next is they. Personal pronouns they. Okay, now what they have told in case of they, let us see. This is Mr. and Mrs. Wong. They live in Cho Chu Kang. Okay, so what is said? This is Mr. and Miss Wong. They live in Cho Chu Kang. So, when we are talking about more than one, we say they. Okay, so here Mr. and Miss Wong, they are two. More than one. So, we are saying they live in Cho Chung Kang. Okay, and see the next. They are kind and helpful. They take me to the park every day. Do you want to come along? So what they are saying, again they are not using Mr. and Miss Wong. What is the personal pronoun they are using? They are kind and helpful. They take me to the park every day. Do you want to come along? So here you will find the personal pronoun they is used. Okay? So children, is this they part clear to you all? Any doubt? Now we can go to the next. We. Okay, what you can talk about we? You and your friends got punishment in the class. Okay, so you always say that we were not fighting, we were not talking. Yes or no? So here let us see what these kids are saying. We are now going to the park. So they are all together and they are saying we are going to the park. We meet at Jenny's house and we start cycling to the park at 4 o'clock. So now they are saying that we start cycling to the park at 4 o'clock. We have so much fun. We will cycle to the park again next week. So throughout the paragraph, nowhere you will find that the names are mentioned or nouns are mentioned at the starting. Okay, what is used instead of that? Personal pronoun, that is we. Okay, children, are you understanding? Yes? Any doubt? So now we are going to quickly revise what we have done and then we'll move to the next part. Okay, so we started off with the discussion of personal pronoun, right? In personal pronoun, we have seen the examples I, you, she, he, it, they, we. So, one by one, children, just now we have seen the example and paragraph related to each of these examples of personal pronoun. Yes, they have said that in personal pronoun, the personal pronouns are used at the place of subject. So here in the example, if you can see, Charlie McBean received a letter from the king. So Charlie McBean is subject. Okay. Then we saw the first example of personal pronoun I, where David is talking about himself. So he is saying, I am 8 years old. I like to read book. I have a sister. I like to play with her at home. So here which personal pronouns we are using? I. Then we saw about you, right? The boy is talking to Jenny. So he is saying, you are 8 years old. You like to cycle. You go to in the Southview Primary School. You are my best friend. So which personal pronoun? You. Personal pronouns he and she. So when it is a male gender, we are using he. When there is a female gender, we are using she. Is it clear, children? Now we will see about it. This is Polly the parrot. It has colorful feathers, it can talk, it can sing too. So here we are talking about the things which are not categorized into male gender or female gender. So we are using it for it. Okay, same goes for book. This is an English book and we are using it for English book. Then we saw they. Okay, when we are talking about other people, more than one, we use they. They are kind, they are helpful, they take me to the park, etc. And last we saw was we. Okay, children? In we, what we saw? These kids are talking about themselves, like we are going to the park, we meet at Jenny's house, we start cycling. So, personal pronoun we is used again and again. Okay? So, till here everybody is clear? If you have any doubt, you can ask. And children, you have to read your PDF properly, because tomorrow we will be solving exercise related to this, and I want everyone to give correct answer. Okay, children? I want each and everyone to give the correct answer. Okay, so we will stop here for our today's class. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, children?